So guys, welcome to MJ channel here today. And then next you're gonna see a video of me do turnovers for my favorite Puerto Rican dish. I absolutely love it. And let's go. Okay, so first I'm going to show you the recipe of the day. And it's empanadillas. So first you're going to add the red sauce, or maybe pizza sauce, or maybe tomato sauce. You add it onto here, and then you spread it around like if you were making a pizza. But we were not making a pizza, so... And make sure you don't get into the edges. So, as I was saying, so we're gonna have to do little by little. Don't get too much on it or no burst. We're gonna add some cheese now. Add some more cheese. And get some over here. Okay, all done. Okay, moving on. Now we have some carrots. I know they're a little long. Okay, next we're moving on to a corn. I'm just gonna add it like this, because it's very hot. I'm just gonna spread it around with my fork. Okay, last thing to do, see I have paper on the bottom of this. So last thing we do is we pull the paper off. So we're gonna try to fold this to try to take the paper off. So we're gonna go like this, and we're gonna try to close it over this. Oh, see what I mean? Press it down a little bit, and then we're gonna press it down. Hopefully it'll come out on the other side. Oh. It's okay if your red sauce doesn't stay in, because we don't need that much. And now my grandma is gonna cook it. So it's very hot, so I'm gonna let her do this. Oh, it didn't come out on the other side, but it's fine, I guess. So this is not on yet. So I'm just gonna put it on a place where there's no red sauce. And then I'm gonna go like this. Carefully maybe take that out. I just gotta put the ingredients over here. I am not the cooker in this family. I'm gonna put it inside again, and then it's gonna start cooking soon, hopefully. And now we wait. Okay, so as you can see, everything is all done. Now let me try one of them. So good. I especially love the crunchiness in there. This is so good, I could eat this forever. Bye-bye. Like, share, and hit the notification bell, subscribe, and wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. Psych out!